This is TCI Matter, page 39. Properties. Suppose your family finds a treasure box in your attic. In it, you find necklaces, earrings, watches, and even a perfume bottle made of different substances. If your family wants to sell the jewelry, you need to be able to describe all the different substances that make up the items. How could you describe all the different substances? Let's look at these pictures for a minute as an example. Some properties distinguish the Statue of Liberty from old coins, such as pennies. Both objects are made of the same substance, copper, but they differ in their properties of size, mass, and volume. So they're made of the same thing. They're both made up of copper, but there are different sizes, masses, and volumes. Those are their different properties. You might start with carefully observing what the substance looks or smells like when you're describing the stuff that you found in the attic. You could describe it by their shapes, as if they were round bracelets or chain-like necklaces, and you could see if any of the substances had an odor or a smell. Suppose you want to know how much treasure you have. You could measure the amount by measuring the item's volume. Volume is the amount of space that an object occupies. You could also weigh them to describe them by their mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object or sample. Scientists measure mass in kilograms. Shape, volume, mass, and odor are all properties. A property is a characteristic of a substance. Some properties, like odor, are shared by all objects of that substance and never change. Other properties, such as shape, volume, or mass, are not shared by all objects of that substance and can change. For example, the Statue of Liberty and an old penny are both made of copper. Though both are pieces of copper metal, these two objects differ in volume. The Statue of Liberty has a much larger volume than a penny. Each object's mass and shape is also different. The Statue of Liberty has more mass than a penny, and it is shaped like a person rather than a coin. However, they would both have the same odor.